Hi, Susie. Where are you going? Are you taking a trip? I'm going to Chicago. My sister just had a baby. I'm going to be helping her for a couple of weeks. That's so nice of you. Did she have a boy or girl? A girl. Her name is Rose. What a beautiful name. Yeah, she's named after our grandmother. My daughter is also named after my grandmother. Her name is Mary. That's also a beautiful name. Thanks. Is this your sister's first child? Yeah, this is my first nicest too. She's also the first grandchild in the family. How special. I know. My mother is so excited. She's only lives a few blocks away from my sister. So she will be helping a lot too. That's wonderful. It's nice to have a lot of help with your first child. Yeah, I agree. Well, I better go now. I have to be at the airport by 1 p.m. Okay, see you in 2 weeks.